In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Wildcard in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA World Cup Fantasy, provide your credentials and log into your account. Then head over to the section of My Team. Here you're gonna find the team that you have created. The Wildcard is a special chip that allows you to make unlimited transfers during a selected match week without being restricted by the normal transfer limits. From this page, you are able to build your squad, make transfers, view leaderboard, and manage all aspects of your fantasy team throughout the tournament. Now to activate the wildcard, start by clicking the Make Transfers option within your team management screen. From here, you can make as many transfer changes you would like, bringing players in and out of your squad to build the strongest team possible. Once you are satisfied with your selections and ready to save your changes, you will see the option to use your wildcard. Simply select the wildcard option when confirming your transfers, and the game will apply unlimited transfers for that round. Keep in mind that you can only receive one wildcard, so it's important to use it strategically. Many managers save it for situations involving injuries, suspensions, major fixture swings, or when they want to completely restructure their team. Choosing the right moment to activate your wildcard can make a significant difference in your fantasy performance throughout the tournament. And that's it. This is how you can easily use wildcard in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.